Werther's original.
I'll never forget that first taste. Sweet and creamy, just plain.
Huh? Mom, something's wrong with the TV. Mom. Oh, God. What? Emergency broadcast? That's scary.
This message is being broadcast by the Department of National Security.
Oh, no.
This is not a drill.
Wait, why?
Starting 10:28 p.m., December 10, 1999, it has been confirmed by the United States Technological Association that there is a potential of a widespread and possibly long-term power outage starting 12 o'clock
Oh,
a.m.
no.
January 1st, 2000 due to the turn of the millennium. This could possibly include malfunctions with credit and debit cards,
Oh, that's
ATM
not
machines,
good.
and other banking institutions. Now is the time for planned preparedness. Stay tuned for future bulletins.
Yeah, I know. That's crazy. My God.
Good. I felt I must be someone very special when my grandpa gave me his wonderful candy. Well, now I'm the grandfather. And what else would I give my grandson but my
Boy, there's
brother's
original.
He's someone very special too.